Hi there, this is Bridget from the PlannerSpeechie, and today I wanted to share with you just a brief little video of my most recent Jessica Hearts order. This is so pretty, so I just wanted to go through it with you guys because I so rarely get these things and I figured it'd be fun. Okay, so I have several things here. And I'll just start with this. So this was the journaling card. It says Summer Vibes on it. It's really cute. She recently just redid her shop. So now it's got a whole new format design and I'm really into it. Okay, so we'll start with this. This is the Ethereal August monthly kit along with some other stickers that I ordered. So I'm just gonna try and find, okay, here it is. So I got the one with foil, which I'm very excited about. Okay, so here's the freebie. This is the July freebie for 2022. This is so cute. It's a Luke's coffee mug from Gilmore Girls. So that's really cute. And then I also had purchased 2 transparent stickers. So these are video minis. I just thought these were precious. They're so cute. And then I also got the Target ones because I go to Target a lot. These are transparent. As you can see, they look really, really nice on any weekly kit. So I'm very excited for those. So this is the Ethereal monthly kit for August. So I just loved the boho black, gray, not something you really think of. August is kind of a weird month for a lot of people. Some people are still on vacation, so they want like the tropical, whatever. Some people, school is starting, if you can believe that. I know in Florida, school starts really, really early. And then for some people, it's a little bit of both. So maybe if you're a teacher or an educator or you work in the school system like I do, you're going to probably go back to work starting in August, but students won't arrive yet. So you want something that's like a little serious, but a little bit easy. And so this comes with, these are the date dots. This is the, I guess, goes on the bottom. I'm not sure. Oh, this will tell you. Wow, okay. So top sidebar and the bottom sidebar. Very nice. These are just, I guess, some dates. And then these are, can't really see, they're cut, but there's nothing there. So you can write in what you want if you want to use the stickers. And then these come with canceled, change of plans, rescheduled, bill due, and then you can fill entire days with this. And then of course I got this in the light gold because I thought it would look really pretty on the black. So August, you are made of magic. There's, oh, I bet, now I know why these are empty. These are empty so you can put the stickers right over them and then the icons go on top of these. That makes sense. Okay, cool. So that's going to be for August. I'm really excited. I will do a separate video just on that. So I'm going to go ahead and put these back in here. I'll do that off camera so that you don't have to watch me do that. Okay, the next one, this is the September pumpkin chai kit. I just saw this and I thought, oh, this is so beautiful. I'm really, really into it. So, and then I got, ooh, I love how this is the orange foil. So I went back and forth on this about whether or not I actually was going to do orange because September is not super orange. Usually it's October and we really don't get fall here in North Carolina until October, but I was like, you know what, this is so cute. I really, really like this. I'm going to do this. So I'm actually not going to Yeah, I have to open it up. That's what the video is. I was going to leave it in here, but I'm like, you know what? Let me just, oh, it looks like there's just a couple of little shaped things here. All right, so we have the foil. Remember? Oh, that looks so cool. And then I've got the pumpkin chai. I just love the wood with the leaves. So pretty. Okay, so then we've got this. I think the orange is going to look really good with this. And then just these. So, so pretty. Okay. Love these options. All right, and then I did get this. I had to get because I just love Matilda. So this is the Miss Honey mini kit. Unfortunately, they are sold out of these at this point, but if these are ever restocked, you should consider it. Anyone who is familiar with the book Matilda or even the movie will recognize some of these things here. We've got Matilda herself with a book, Bruce Bogtrotter's chocolate cake. There's Miss Honey's cottage and Miss Honey pouring tea. Of course, lots and lots of books. Looks like Miss Honey's holding that. And then Matilda's notebook. I just thought this was so cleverly done. And then I went ahead and I ordered the foil overlay that goes with this in periwinkle. And it's just really, really pretty. It's kind of hard to see in this light, but it's this very light sort of foiled purple. It's just gorgeous. So some people feel like they have no power at all. It's wonderful how you feel so powerful. So obviously this one goes on the right and then this one goes on the left. This also said the books gave Matilda a hopeful and comforting message. You are not alone. These are definitely direct quotes from the film. I don't recall if they're direct quotes from the book as well, but they are definitely in the movie. Starring Mara Wilson and Danny DeVito. Okay, so here's the foil overlay. I'm really excited. The last time I ordered a foil overlay from Jessica Hart's, I made a comment about how I wouldn't order from them again. I think I was just really grumpy. I'm gonna give it another chance. It just looks so pretty. I can't not do it. So here's the mini kit. So the mini kit comes with, and this is in, I had to get I believe this is the glossy. Oh, it says Miss Honey's Classroom in chalk. So it actually has these really pretty pastel colors. I love the books for the date dots here. This is Miss Honey's Cottage, which I just think is fantastic. And then more library scenes, couple of cute icons here. So I know that the bigger kit definitely has more to offer, but I just thought this looks so pretty. Okay, and then last but not least, I got a foil overlay for a kit that I did not buy because I just liked it. So it's this was the foil overlay for the 90s fall day. It says falling leaves, hot cocoa, cozy sweaters, pumpkin carving. This really pretty scripty sort of magical font. I did get this in orange as well. It says 90s baby this week, next week, and the books. So truthfully, I'm not a 90s baby. I was born in 86, but the art that this kit has is this really cute, it's like a pumpkin patch and a girl with like a chunky white sweater. I have the art for that already in a kit that I purchased. It was a printable kit, so I didn't feel the need to buy it again because why on earth would I do that? But I thought this would look good with any fall kit because it's so pretty, and I just thought I'm gonna get it while the sale is happening. So anyway, so those are my things. Again, I am so excited to use all of these in the coming weeks and months, literally months. Oops, let's put that back. So this is just a sampling of everything. Thank you so much for watching, and please check back in so you can see the full videos where I lay everything out in my Sadie Stickers planner. And definitely continue to support the shop if you can, because it's a wonderful place to shop. Anyway, so that's been my Jessica Hart's shopping roundup. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And of course, thank you for watching. All right, have a good week.